Morning guys. It's about 4:45 right now. Came out here just before the daybreak because I work today and I have limited time to fish, so yeah, just try them. It's almost day and gives me about 15 minutes to set up my stuff, and then yeah, so, hopefully wish me luck. So I just lost my lure right at the rocks. He started his second run, and when he did, my lure just popped up. I had him on his side at the surface and I was sure that I had him. It was right when I had that thought I lost him. For this Lanai Ulua plugging shootout tournament, my goal is to put something on the board. So as long as I achieve that, for me that's a win. So when I lost this Ulua, there's definitely some sort of kill fight feeling. I continued plugging till the sun was beaming in my face, and then I called it a day. But during the last 30 minutes of fishing, I realized that this is also a win. I had a hit, hooked up to an Ulua, got eyes on him, then lost him. We pluggers go countless days chugging along without even getting to scrap these awesome Uluas. Then I got that feeling it's gonna happen really soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe if you're not already. Stay tuned for the next video because I know you're gonna enjoy it. Again, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Aloha guys.